Welcome to the video. Today, we're cleaning it, getting it ready for its new motor and new life as my daily driver. Stay tuned. So I know I didn't really explain the story behind this car. So I was on Facebook Marketplace one day, like all people that have car cane issues like me, and saw this 2002 Subaru WRX come up for sale. So I already had a daily driver, but I've always wanted this car as my daily. So I threw the guy, I saw the ad, it had a blown motor, it's rod knocking, it's got dents and dings and rust, 200,000 plus miles. So I just threw a number. I was like, $1,200 and I'll come pick it up. And I thought that he was gonna tell me, you know, hey, go pound sand, like this is a WRX, bug eye, this is worth whatever. He was like, yeah, I just want this thing gone. $1,200, you come with the trailer, it's yours. I could not get the money out of my pocket fast enough. So the first step in what we're gonna be doing today is defunking this car. So it's a smoker's car and it is horrendous. So we're gonna be cleaning out the interior, vacuuming it, wiping down all surfaces, just trying to get rid of some of this ash. And then from there, maybe, you know, give it a bath. We'll see if time permits. So 2002 Subaru WRX. It has a lot of work needs done to it, to put it to you lightly, but 208,000 mile car. I do live in the East Coast, in case you couldn't get that picture already from the ice that's on the ground, but you know, typical rust spots, nothing crazy though, dents and dings, faded paint, but you know, what else is new? You know, giant exhaust, all the goodies. I can't turn the car on because there's no battery in it, but it has 208,000 miles. It definitely has some gross, nasty, mucky things all in it. Definitely, my fears were kind of met because this car had this awful smell in it, like a weird tinge to it, but Pall Mall menthols will do that to a car. So, yeah. I mean, this car's gonna get a new interior anyways, but I really was unhappy to find out that it was a smoker car. And yeah, the ashtray's been used, but for the price, I'm not gonna complain. Like I said, this is a bug eye. It'll be worth it. Well, the back seat continues to not disappoint. We got some empty 10W30. Don't need that or going. Some jewelry, gross. Old ass soda, more Pall Malls. That's the go-to for the female WRX owner apparently. Gross menthol cigarettes, lighter that doesn't even light, cool. But overall not terrible. Fold down does kind of work. This is the back pop out. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh, look at that. We have a fancy sock. Coolant, empty beer bottles. Damn. Someone liked to party in this WRX. Let's pop the trunk real quick. Because they found an Alpine remote, but there isn't even like a Alpine system in here. Seats are obviously trash. We'll get new ones, especially since there's gross cigarettes in this car. What else? Altoids. Broken bungee cord. What is that? I haven't even heard of that. Gross. Coolant that's also empty. More coolant that's empty. More oil that's empty. I guess this car just loved to eat coolant and oil, but you know, Subaru life. A pen that I could write down all of my repairs I'm gonna have to pay for on. What is this? Ace Performance engine bearings. Ooh, boy. That's not a good sign to find in your trunk. Well, alright. Just cleaning out the bug. Some more notable things. I had to kind of like flip the paperwork around because I don't want to show nobody's address or whatever. But this is a failure to pay rent tenant notice. That's awesome. A bunch of cigarettes, lighters, some makeup shit. And some one-hitters, you know, if you want to smoke some weed. We got your weed needs in this WRX, you know, typical. We're definitely gonna have to get a new interior now, because this is, oh, wait a minute. Ooh, we do have some lotion. We'll put some lotion and some Febreze in this, and it'll just clean right up. One thing, we gotta test the cup holder, because, I don't know, not really a believer, so we're gonna test it out here with our Arizona. Okay, look at that. Didn't think that these little, like, I mean, the cup holders, I've had some pretty shitty cars with some shitty cup holders, but I mean, I guess I could trust this if it can hold the tall boy. All right, so about an hour later, a little bit of elbow grease. We got pretty much all the foul, gross stuff out of this car, took away all the paperwork, stuff that you just don't need and gets cluttered in the daily driver. So now we're gonna hit it with a vacuum and then get onto our wipes and hopefully make it not smell like menthol cigarettes. That's the goal. Well, we're starting to wipe down all the little plastics just to see how bad it is. And yeah. Oh God, dude. It is that bad. It is that bad. It's disgusting. So we're gonna make these wipes earn their worth today. They're gonna be working hard. And just for some comparison, like here's the passenger side, and yeah, it's dirty, whatever, high mileage. There's the driver's side. I cleaned off some of the plastics, but you can just really see, like, we're gonna need to get a new headline or two. Add it to the list. New shift knob. Well, y'all, thanks to Tubbo Towels, not sponsored, by the way, we actually have a really nice, clean interior that is totally acceptable to take in.